Hey guys, I'm Kelly and this is Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and joining me in this meditation. Today we're going to be balancing the energy of the body. If you didn't know it, even science has told us that our body is made out of energy. So we are going to be going through certain points on the body and balancing our energetic body. By balancing this, it helps with our mental, emotional, and our physical side. So let's go ahead and sit up nice and tall, close those eyes, and get started. So finding your breath here, inhaling and exhaling in the nose, and relaxing any stress, any tension, letting those shoulders melt down away from your ears. And find a slow, steady breath. Whatever feels comfortable for you. And being mindful, relaxing the eyes, the neck, the jaw. Make sure we're not clenching our teeth or clenching our fist. Just sitting nice and calm and peaceful. And now we're going to concentrate on our crown chakra, which is right above the top of the head. And this energy center, we want to think about it being balanced. So we're going to get rid of any negative, stagnant energy. So just imagine that dissipating. And then imagine a white light filling up this crown chakra. Balancing the energy and opening it to unlimited knowledge. And now moving down to our ajna, our third eye. And this is right above the bridge of the nose, pretty much between the eyebrows. And so I want you to concentrate right there. And on your inhales, I want you to bring your breath to this area. And on your exhales, I want you to release any negative, stagnant energy. Any clouded thoughts, clouded mind, let it go. And now imagining a white light right here at our third eye. And that white light is sending lots of healing, loving energy to this area. And now moving down to the throat chakra. So that would be right above the sternal notch, so right at the throat area. And I want you to focus your attention here, breathing into the throat, the front of the neck. And on your exhales, I want you to release any unwanted stress. Any words that you feel like you're holding on to that should be said or need to be said, just let those go. And concentrating now a white light in this area. This white light cleanses your throat and the neck and energizes this area. And now moving down the body, coming to our heart chakra. So the heart is the center of the chest. And we're going to concentrate on breathing into the chest, breathing into our heart center. And exhaling any feelings of being unloved or any feelings of a heavy heart. Maybe it's from grief. So breathing into this area, acknowledging those feelings, and exhaling, allowing those to melt away. Every exhale helps you release any emotions that are caught up here. And now breathing that white light into the chest area. And this white is bringing you love, light, and healing energy here for our heart center. And now moving down to our solar plexus. The solar plexus is below the ribs and above the belly button. So they say that our stomach area is our seat of emotion. So we're going to imagine this area, inhaling lots of healing energy and exhaling in this area, letting go of any baggage, any anger, resentment, disappointment, sadness, letting go of any emotion that is not happiness or joy. And just letting all of that go, cleaning it out. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and inhale that white light into this area. Loving, healing energy here. Energizing the solar plexus. And then when you're ready, we'll go ahead and move down. We'll be coming down to our Sacral Chakra, so below the belly button. And we'll inhale here. And exhale any unwanted tension, any unwanted expectations. And letting it go. And when you're ready, we'll inhale here. That brilliant white light, energizing the sacral chakra. Bringing it love and light and healing. And then moving down to the root chakra. So our root chakra is right down below our seat, or at our seat. And this is what roots us, what grounds us. So we want to inhale here into this area. And on our root chakra, we want to exhale any feelings of being unsettled or any feelings of being stuck. And we want to concentrate on letting those go. And inhaling into this area and feeling rooted and grounded. I want you to imagine that white light inhaling in, coming all the way down to your seat. And I want you to imagine that you're growing roots out of your seat or the bottom of your feet, helping you feel grounded, supported. Guys, I want you to imagine a white light coming in the tip top of your head at that crown we were talking about. And this white light's coming all the way down the crown, down the head, the neck, all the way down the spine to the hips, down the legs, knees, ankles, and toes. Our whole body has this white, healing, loving light. And it's energizing your body. It's freeing you from your emotions. And it's giving loving kindness to your physical body. And so we'll take one more loving breath here. And exhaling anything that doesn't deserve space in our body or our mind, letting that go. And keeping your eyes closed, we can go ahead and bring our hands heart center. You can dip your chin towards your chest. Take one final inhalation. And exhaling, you can slowly blink those eyes open when you're ready and sit up nice and tall. So I hope that this meditation helped you. Make sure you give yourself a little extra TLC today, okay? Thank you so much for watching.